Am I crazy? Are people staring at my beady eyes and making fun of me? We all are sometimes too close to ourselves to really have an accurate, dispassionate perspective on how we're coming across. It may be that you do have a huge, huge problem with uhs and ums and ers and verbal tics, but maybe not. I'm not saying it's all in your head. You're in this course, so there's some issue there. But what I want you to do is test. Now, what you don't want to do is speak and then go up to someone and say, tell me how bad I am, how many uhs and ums, it was really awful, right? You don't want to coach someone. What you want to do is give a presentation, give a talk, and then ask someone, what do they remember? That's most important. Next, what did you like? That's also very important. Then ask them, anything stand out that you think could be improved? If they say something like, well, you didn't seem quite comfortable, then you want to dig and probe. See if they'll actually tell you that they're hearing too many uhs, ums, ers, you knows, and likes. Finally, if they don't mention it, ask them. If they say, I didn't even notice you saying or Look, I trust you, but I trust your audience more. They're a lot more credible than you are when it comes to how you come across. So everybody needs outside independent feedback. In fact, I need feedback. I'm going to ask that from you right now. And Udemy, if they haven't done so already, will ask you for feedback on this course. I want to know what you think so far. Udemy is going to ask you to rate on stars, and certainly if you think it's a 5-star course, go ahead and put 5 stars. If you think it's lacking in any way, rather than leave a rating right now, I want you to send me a message right here in the Udemy system, and I'll try to make the changes right away because I want to be responsive to you. Nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect. I want to make this course even better. The other thing I'm interested in, and Udemy isn't going to ask you this, but I will, what do you remember so far? What's been most useful about this course so far? Please post it in the discussion section. Thanks.